Hello everyone, welcome to the online class. So today in this session we are going to learn the Antarctica, which is the last lesson for you to learn. Yes, Antarctica, which is also called the White Continent. Yes, the white continent of the world, or the white continent, which is only one and only continent, one and only white continent of the world. Okay, that is Antarctica. In this lesson, however, you know the government has reduced some of the points of this lesson. Yes, so in this lesson also you will get a reduced part like vegetation and animal wealth. It is reduced part, and after that one more point is there which is also reduced, that is important research stations. Yes, so apart from these points, rest of all you are going to learn here. So without wasting a time, let us directly will go for the location, extent and physical setting or physical division of the Antarctica. Yes, location. Antarctica is the continent which surrounds the South Pole. Most of the continent lies within the Antarctic Circle or 66 degree 30 degree south latitude. A unique position of the continent is that is opposite to the Arctic Ocean around the North Pole. The extent of the Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. Its total area is 14.2 million square kilometer. It is larger than China and India and is more than half the size of the USA. It is half of the USA. Okay. Now comes the physical setting. The continent of Antarctica is surrounded by a water body. It is often called the Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean, but, but it is not a separate water body. Instead, it is formed by the meeting of southern parts of the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. Cape Horn, the southern extreme end of Southern America, is the nearest land to this continent. It is lies at a distance of 990 kilometers. Antarctica is bound by the Indian Ocean in the east, Pacific Ocean in the west, Atlantic Ocean in the northwest. It means the Antarctica continent totally surrounded with the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and even Indian Ocean. The physical features. The physical features of the Antarctica. Ice and snow cover about 98% of the Antarctica. Means 98% of the 98% the Antarctica was covered with the ice and snow. Therefore, most of the relief features of the continent are covered by the ice sheets. High mountain peaks and a few plateaus are the only visible land surfaces. The ice layer, which is approximately 2300 meters thick. The totally ice layer was consist 2300 or 2300 meters thick. Thick means ದಪ್ಪವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ layer. Okay. This 2300 meters thick ice only makes it looks like a white. Okay. Therefore, Antarctica is called the white continent. It is also known as snow desert and it is also called cold desert. Antarctica continent is called a white continent. Along with that, it is also called snow desert and cold desert. Next one comes under the ice. Antarctica has the relief features such as mountains, lowlands, valleys and gorges. Antarctica is the highest continent in the terms of average elevation. Yes, that also up to 2000 300 meter. The Trans-Antarctic Mountain crosses the entire continent. It divides the Antarctica into two major or two important physical divisions. Yes, first one is East Antarctica and the second one is West Antarctica. Let's know about the East Antarctica. East Antarctica faces the South Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. It covers more than half of the continent and is also called a Greater Antarctica. Along the coast of the region, there are mountains, valleys, and glaciers. The central part of the region is a plateau where the South Pole is located. The second part of the Antarctica is called West Antarctica, which faces the Pacific Ocean. Much of its area lies below sea level. The Antarctica peninsula of this region is a mountainous, S-shaped fringe of land that points towards South America. Several islands lie near the peninsula. It also includes peaks and volcanoes. So when you will get this video, write what is peninsula. What is the meaning of peninsula? Write it and send it to me. Vinson Massif, the highest peak in Antarctica, which is having 5,140 meters height. 5,140 meters height. It is located in the Ellsworth Mountains. Mount Elbrus, Antarctica's most active volcano. This volcano is on the Ross Island. Another one is Prince Charles Mountain. Two large gulfs cut into Antarctica at opposite ends of the let me read it once again. Ends of the Transantarctic Mountains. Transantarctic Mountains, namely Ross Sea and Weddell Sea. Yes. Now we'll go for the Antarctic Expedition. Antarctic Treaty. Antarctic Expedition. The expedition regarding Antarctica continent took place in the 18th century and continues to this day. Many sea voyagers made adventurous efforts to explore the continent. Among them, Charles Wilkes, head of U.S. Navy, provide the extensions of the continent of Antarctica. Then James Clerk Ross of Great Britain sailed into the Ross Sea in 1841. The sea is named after him. At the end of summer, inventors entered this continent through the ocean. After that, they prepare the shelter for winter camp. Detailed exploration of the continent commenced in the beginning of 20th century. The first person to reach it was Ronald Amundsen, a Norwegian explorer is 1911. Scott, it is in USA. Okay. This Scott heading another expedition arrived at the pole just a month later. So, do you know what is expedition? If you don't know, then write the meaning of expedition. What is expedition and what is treaty? And after writing, send it to me. Okay? But let me once again. But Ronald Amundsen, who is a Norway explorer, when he died on March 1912, his diary provided some information for further exploration of the continent. Richard E. Byrd, the Navy officer of United States, was the another to reach the South Pole in 1929 by plane. Later, several countries of the world began to study the continent of Antarctica. Okay, let's know about the Antarctic Treaty. This is an agreement between the countries to keep Antarctica as a place just for scientific research. So it is later called the continent of science. Yes, the Antarctica continent is called white continent, along with it is called as a snow desert and also called cold desert. Okay, not only these names were called, even the continent Antarctica is also called the continent of the science. The treaty was signed in Washington, D.C. on 1st December 1959 by 12 nations, and it was enacted on 23rd June 1961. The treaty applies to the region south of 60-degree latitude. Member of this member nations, okay, the member nations, okay, the first one is Argentina, Australia, Belgium, Chile, France, Japan, New Zealand, Norway, South Africa, Russia, UK and USA were the members of the nation of this Antarctica. Okay, they can do the experiment or research, they can do a scientific research in this land. Okay, in this land means in this Antarctica continent. Main objectives of this Antarctica are: Antarctica is to be used for peaceful purpose only and military operations are not allowed. Yes, it prohibits nuclear test and disposal of radioactive waste. No ownership of land and water is permitted. Mineral and oil exploration, environmental pollution and hunting are completely banned. Explorers must not bring any exotic species. The continent is reserved for scientific investigation. It's completely reserved for the scientific investigations or scientific researches. Okay. It is also agreed to preserve and conserve the natural resources of the continent. So after this, so up to this much you people have learned. The important research stations are also available like Maitri, yes, Maitri Indian Research Center is there, and Bharati Indian Research Center is there in where it is? It is in the important research centers or resources centers are there in the continent of Antarctica. Yes, so among them the Maitri Indian Research Center is there and Bharati Indian Research Center is also there. Okay, so up to here you people have learned. So here we are going to conclude your second sem textbook. So when you people will get this video, okay, some of the important words I have told you. So write the meaning of such a those words and send it to me through the Google app, not with the WhatsApp. If you send through the WhatsApp, I will not accept it. Okay. And afterwards, after the completion of writing notes, you have to make your own notes and you have to send it to me through the Google app, and you have to complete even your exercise regarding this lesson. Okay, so be safe at your home, stay at your home. Please do not go any trips and travels, maintain a distance, keep washing your hands with the hand washes. Yes, maintain safe. Okay, maintain distance. Okay, that also.